How to increase your e-commerce conversion rate. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you that if you are getting a lot of people visiting your e-commerce store, but none of them are converting, none of them are buying products, why and how can you stop that from happening? So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you need to do, and I'm going to jump straight into it. We don't need any talk. We don't need any extra talk. We need to focus on why people are not purchasing your products. Well, the first reason might be it's just too confusing. If you have a website layout that does not display your products as soon as you head on over to the website, it's going to be annoying for the customers to find the product section. So that is my first tip. Whenever you're creating a e-commerce store, try to make sure that the first thing that they see, so like the first thing after like the basic header should be the products that you're selling. Whatever products they might be, you can create a featured list right below your header to display the products that you're selling. That is one of the fastest ways to get customers what they want and get them in and out quickly. If a customer spends too much time in trying to find the product, they just might just not bother with the hassle. They're gonna search on Google and find a website that displays the product immediately. So that is tip number one, to have your products available as soon as someone enters the website. Now, this could be in the form of like a slideshow like this one right below your header, or it could also be in like this kind of website layout. So if you like, this is empty right now, but right below it, this has a featured collection. So all of the featured menu items or all of the featured products can appear over here and customers can easily access them and buy them. Now, the second tip, and this is one of the most important things that I need to emphasize to you guys, is offering free shipping. And you might be wondering, hey, that's going to make us lose money. I can't offer free shipping. Well, you need to include the prices of shipping your products into the product cost instead of adding your shipping separately onto your website. The reason for that is because 82% of customers, and this has actually been researched, 82% of customers discard their purchase once they look at the shipping prices. So if shipping prices range anywhere from $10 to $15, if you had just included it in directly into the product cost, people were more likely to purchase that product. And that is something that you need to understand. It does not matter if you wanted to sell like super cheap toys, but you added like $15 in shipping, you might as well just add those $15 into the toys initially and just market them as oh, just good toys with free shipping. And that is one of the most essential things you need to do. So you need to offer free shipping. And with free shipping, what you need to do is, this is like my Shopify store. It says welcome to our store. You're going to change that. So you're just going to go into your store. You're going to go on online store and you're going to customize it. And then you're going to change the top text. So instead of welcome to our store, the announcement bar over here needs to say free shipping like this. And you're just going to click on save. And now you can see if I go back onto my website over here and view it like so, it says free shipping. So this reduces customer anxiety by a lot. And a lot of customers are far more likely to purchase your products if they have free shipping. So these are two of the most essential things you need to do to increase your e-commerce conversion rate. Now, you've done these two things and you're still not getting a lot of customers. Well, there is a lot more you still need to do. The third thing that you need to do, like this is probably one of my personal favorites because I've noticed a larger change in the conversion rate that I have on my e-commerce stores, is that you provide social evidence. So let's say if you have your product catalog and if you go into your product, if I link some kind of, let's say if I go on to my products over here, and I open up any kind of product, if I view it on my store section, like how it's going to look like. And what you need to do is when you have your little products added, you need to add some social proof. So if someone has made a YouTube video about your product, link it like I have linked this video over here. If someone has reviewed like your items, make sure to have a review section. Make sure that people are easily able to see what other people think about this product. This enables people to better understand their purchase and feel like, oh, I'm making a good purchase because other people also agree with me. And that is social evidence. You need to provide social evidence for your product that it is a good product. And without that kind of review section, if you feel like you're too afraid to add a review section, that probably means you need to improve your product. Now, you can also add your review section and then add a video explaining the product over here, a YouTube video. You can add one of those over here as well if you want to. And I have a detailed video on how to integrate YouTube HTMLs or YouTube links into your Shopify store. So I will leave that in the description box down below, and you can check that out as well to further optimize your conversion rates on Shopify. Now, another way that you can really improve on your product listing over here is that when you have a singular product, you need to add product recommendations. So right now over here it's empty, but if you want to get better conversion, you need to recommend similar products right below or on the left or right side of your product. And this will enable people to, if they were not like sure about purchasing this product, they're just going to browse onto the next product and they're going to give you more likelihood of purchasing a product instead of leaving empty handed. So you need to make sure that you're providing them with multiple options in your e-commerce store for them to purchase from. It's not just one product or two products that you're going to let them browse and then they have to go back into the basic menu, then back into the product. You need to give them recommendations. You need to create dynamic content for them. And that includes including like super detailed information about the product. So they feel like you are providing them with a very nice customer experience. Like these bows over here, you can see there is so much detail about the product. There is a lot of stuff that you can see. There are multiple product images. You can also add product videos and make sure you have a product description that is tagged like this. So it is like in a column form or like in a small little cubicle. So it's easier for your customer to narrow down the information that they need about the product and narrow down any excess information that they don't care about. So maybe some customers care about the material, they can see the material. Some customers only care about how long is it going to be until it is delivered. So you can see over here that the delivery time is over here as well. So they can skim through the information that they accurately want. Now, another very important things to get your conversion rate up on your Shopify or any other e-commerce platform is your call to action button. So call to action, I'm just going to call it CTA. Now, CTA is like when you have the buy now button or you have the learn more button. All of those are low impact, like they're low effort, high impact, but words. So you need to make sure that you're using language like that at the bottom of your page. So at the bottom of your page, you're going to add like a learn more section. And like on your basic website, like on your homepage, you can add a shop now, or you can add like a buy one, get one free, or any incentive for your customer to purchase your product. You're going to provide that. You need to make sure that these call to action words are present at categorical intervals in your website. So you want to make sure that like after I scroll like 2 times, I need to have like a call to action button so people are more enticed to purchasing the product. Now, the last tip that I have to increase your conversion is website SEO. So if you go onto your online store and you can see with any website you have website SEO, and SEO is very, very important. You can click on your settings and take a look at all of the files that you have, take a look at all of the information about your website, and you need to make sure that your SEO is good. So if you take a look at your overall website, you're going to be getting a lot of details. And if you do all of the previous steps and you're still not getting a good amount of visitors, so if the conversion rate is okay but you're not getting enough visitors, that means you need to improve on your SEO. And SEO is search engine optimization. So you need to use keywords and you need to use phrases that people actually use on Google to search for your product. So if you're selling bows, like I am selling on this Shopify store, instead of like listing it as bow chiffon luxury, like instead of listing it as bow, you need to add the URL to be chiffon luxury bow or buy chiffon luxury bow instead of adding just chiffon luxury bow. The reason for that is when a customer is looking to purchase a bow, they're not going to search for chiffon luxury bow. They're going to search for buy chiffon luxury bow. And that is how you need to optimize your website for SEO. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to optimize your conversion rates on your e-commerce platform. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment box down below. And I will catch you guys in the next video.